This is another place I call Bass Paradise, guys. Yeah. Give y'all a better look. This is the place I call, yeah, from the dog. My dog was pulling my hand. Yeah. This is a great place. I'm not kidding. Great place. That's one of the paradises Yeah, I just got stopped by a guy, man. He was like, "You seen those cats?" I was like, "Yeah." I was like, "That cat looks like a fighter, bro. I might have needed a stick for his ass." Shh. He wasn't finna get my Chihuahua, baby. You know, that's my homeboy kid. You not gonna fuck with him. Excuse my language.